CloudWatch is broadly defined as a monitoring service for many different other services in AWS. If you've already tried out some of the other services previously mentioned in this course, you may have even used CloudWatch without knowing it. Amazon has integrated CloudWatch into most of the other AWS services for monitoring and alarms. In fact, those are the main two key functionalities of CloudWatch: monitoring resources and alerting you when some predefined criteria has occurred. One of my favorite features of CloudWatch is the ability to set up alarms to monitor a multitude of metrics for different Amazon services. For each alarm, you choose from a pre-existing set of metrics for each service. Once you've chosen the metric, you will then set a threshold for the alarm and actions to take. Actions can range from notifying you via email or SMS to triggering some auto-scaling action within an EC2 auto-scaling group. CloudWatch can also consume, aggregate, and monitor logs. This is simply accomplished by installing and configuring an AWS Logs agent on your EC2 instances and telling it which logs to send to CloudWatch. Once the agent is installed and sending logs, CloudWatch can be configured to filter the logs and send alerts based on criteria you define. An example for that is tracking how many times a certain exception happens in your logs, and then sending a notification once it's occurred a set number of times. Since CloudWatch comprises of quite a few different functionalities, pricing reflects that same approach. Each CloudWatch function has a different price. Each is different by region as usual, but here's a rundown of pricing in the Oregon region. CloudWatch alarms cost 10 cents per alarm per month. Ingesting logs into CloudWatch costs 50 cents per gigabyte and 3 cents per gigabyte for any archived logs. CloudWatch also allows you to create custom dashboards with the available metrics, and those will cost you $3 per dashboard per month. And again, there's a free tier giving you the opportunity to try most of these features before you have to drop any cash.